Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I am here to show you how to make a chart in Microsoft Excel for math. These charts can be very useful for organizing and displaying information. So you want to start by opening Excel and opening the document that has the data that you want to make into a graph. So you can see my data right here that I have split into two different columns. It is important to split your data into two different columns so that your variables can be distinguished by Excel. So the easiest way to make a graph in Excel is to click and hold and then drag over all of your data points, making them this dark gray color, and then going up to your toolbar and clicking Insert, and then going over to the side where it says recommended charts and other chart types. You could use recommended charts if you would like, or you could use a specific type of chart that could better represent your data points. I'm personally going to use the scatter chart because I believe that would best represent my data. Alright, now that we have our chart, we can add stuff to it by double clicking on the chart itself. And then we can open up the submenu here by clicking on different parts of the chart, like the title or the data points. We modify different parts of the chart to get it to our liking. Personally, I like it like that. Now, we're missing a few things from this chart, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this new toolbar, then we're going to go up to Add Chart Element. We're going to click on it, and then you can see here on the drop-down menu we have a bunch more options to put onto our chart. So we have axes that we already have. We can put some axis titles down. So let's just say time, and then apples. Okay, so on the drop down menu we also have the title that we can change. I'm not going to change it because that would take too long. So then we can also put data tables on our points so that we can get a direct number for our data. We can get error bars that can show standard error or standard deviation or percent error. We can move the grid lines around, so in case we don't want grid lines or we want specific grid lines, we can do that. We could add a legend, give our chart a little bit more information, and we can add a trend line, which could show the line of best fit or the average, like slope or deviation. We can go up here and change the font of our chart or the topic or the theme. We could switch the columns around. Now, if we click Select Data up here, it gives us this menu right here. Now it shows us the X values and the Y values for our chart. So we can change them from here if we would like to, if it didn't work out so well from just doing the first method. So here we can see B3 to B7, which is from the 1 to the 5, is our x-axis, and then C3 to C7 is the y-axis. So that's correct, so we're just going to hit OK. We can change the values in that if it's not correct. And my chart looks good to me, so I think I'm done. And that's how you make a graph in Excel spreadsheet.